Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW engine, guys, N20 and N26 engines that have been used, guys, in BMW Z4, X4, even BMW 5 Series, guys. So if you have a BMW X4 and Z4, guys, we're going to explain what tools you need to change timing chain, to install timing chain, guys, on your BMW with a 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a 2.0 engine, guys. This is known as N20 or N26. We'll demonstrate on the 5 Series, but the same engine has been used in the Z4 and X4, guys, for certain years. And many of you ask me, what tools do I need? You need, guys, 3 tools, and we're going to cover all that today. You can find the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now, quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos. We take them, guys, completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing these free videos to you guys. Now, this is a 2013 BMW that we'll demonstrate on, but it will cover many years, guys. This is the N20 engine right here that I'm talking about, 2.0 gasoline 4-cylinder twin power turbo engine, guys. So let me talk about that now a little bit more, guys. You're going to need 3 special tools if you want to see the complete video for timing chain replacement, okay? And you want to do that, guys, because some years are prone to timing chain failures, from what I understand, and ours just failed at 87,000 miles. We have the whole complete video on our main channel. It's called How to Repair, guys. Please check it out, guys. Everything from start to finish. As you know, we have 3 channels on How to Repair, guys. We have the complete video, very long and detailed video. The first set of tools you're going to need for the cylinder head and top dead center, TDC pin. This is, guys, your TDC pin. There is a special location where you install it. If you want to see that, we have it on the channel. How to find TDC point on BMW N20. So just check this thing out, guys, for your X4 and Z4 models. So this is it. This is the TDC pin. Now, you guys need to have a tool that holds the camshafts in place. Okay, these two. All that comes together, guys. And then you need the tool for the front that holds the Vanus actuators or the variable timing gears. That whole tool with the TDC pin and the manual tensioner that you're going to need to install the new chain. Okay, this is installed where the original timing chain tensioner is. This one you install it and you can, okay, by turning it you can regulate the pressure on the chain. So when you install it, you need that tool as well. One more tool, guys. Okay, you need another tool. This is for the flywheel holder. It's called flywheel holder tool. And if you need to see how to use it, guys, we have a video on the channel that explains how to use it on a BMW. Just search for the N20 and N26 engine, how to use the flywheel tool. We have it on the channel, guys, and we'll explain everything from start to finish. That flywheel tool, you need it, guys, because when you have that TDC pin inserted in the engine, you don't want to put too much pressure because you will break the engine block. And you don't want that to happen because you will need to remove that crankshaft bolt. Okay, you need to get it loose and you need to install it later. New bolt every time, guys. The torque is unbelievable amount of torque and you need that special tool, okay, to get the bolt loose and to install it. It's going to hold your flywheel so your engine will not spin. Now, that's tool number 2. Then you need another tool, guys, okay, and ours is in the mail. Just ordered it, guys. So this is, okay, this is the tool right here. TikTok, somebody got me on TikTok. So this is the tool, guys. You need that tool. Okay, that tool right here is for removing the sprocket on the oil pump shaft and counterbalance shaft. And you need that tool to align the counterbalance shaft, that special tool as well. We have the video on the channel. Just search for timing marks on that BMW, guys, and we'll explain how to use the tools and all that stuff. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.